What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Pro. Today I'm coming back with another freestyle video, and I this is based on Amazon Credit Builder, which is distributed by Synchrony Bank. So this will help you out a lot if you're trying to build your credit up, as well as establishing credit. The Amazon.com store card credit card builder and Amazon Prime Store card credit builder are secure versions of the Amazon.com store card and Amazon Prime Store card, respectively. And you can get or locate more information on Amazon.com. I'm going to post a link below, guys, and you can apply for it on Amazon.com as well. This is just a brief breakdown. I didn't get a chance to put this into more of a formatted video like I do with my others. So I'm coming to you freestyle today. You guys comment below. Please subscribe. I'm about to give you more information on this card. This is a secured credit card. So it's designed for people who are looking to build or rebuild credit and is backed by a refundable security deposit made when the account is open. Amazon, you can't go wrong, plus credit. So the deposit is equal to the credit limit, like any other secured credit card. Let's see. The Amazon Credit Builder functions and looks like the Amazon Store card, with the exception that the credit line on the Amazon Credit Card Builder will equal to the amount refundable security deposit that you must maintain with Synchrony Bank. So, continued and responsible use of the secure Amazon Credit Builder can help you build your credit history. Credit is so important. Get this card, use it for 6 to 12 months, watch your credit score go up, keep it below a certain utilization rate, your debt utilization, I'm sorry. Keep it below a certain point. You don't want to use too much of your utilization so it will look good on your credit. We all about personal finance. We're all about credit on this channel. You guys comment below. Let me know if you already have this card. So building credit with Amazon Credit Builder, Synchrony Bank will report to the major credit bureaus whether you make at least a minimum payment due on time every month. So building a credit history of on-time payments can help you build your credit. As a card holder, you have several tools at your hand. Let's see. To learn more about using credit responsibly, go to the credit education page on Amazon.com. Every knowledge, every information can help with credit. That's what it's all about. Positive credit. So let's see. Difference between Amazon Credit Builder and debit or prepaid cards. This is the good part. The good part. Unlike a debit card or a prepaid card, a secured credit card is an actual credit card, of course. You need to make monthly payments on your balance, ideally the full balance, but at least a minimum balance. So when they say make full balance, I'm going to tell you this advice. Make it if you have a $200 limit and you spent $25 on it, pay up to $3. You want to show some kind of indication of you using the card. Plus, that will look good on your credit report every month. Every month, pay that up to $3 to $5 balance. Leave that balance on your credit report. So, Synchrony Bank will report your credit activity to the major credit bureaus, providing the opportunity to build your credit with responsible use. That's what it's all about. Responsible use, 6 to 12 months. Use that, and I'm pretty sure you're going to get some great Amazon points, rewards for signing up with them. And this is not a paid advertisement. We're all about personal finance, credit here, building wealth, retiring early. See you guys next time. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think about that Amazon Credit Builder.